Tired of weak passwords leaving your communications vulnerable? Let's boost your Telnyx security using the Telnyx mobile app for one-time passwords. First things first, make sure you have the Telnyx mobile app downloaded and installed from your device's app store. If you don't have it, go ahead and pause the video now and download it. Once installed, open the app and log in using your Telnyx account credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile settings. This is usually found by tapping an icon representing your account, often located in the bottom right corner of the screen, or within a side menu. Within the settings menu, look for a section labeled Security or Two-Factor Authentication. Tap on this option to access the security settings for your account. This is where you will find options to enable and manage OTP. Now, locate the option to enable two-factor authentication using the Telnyx mobile app. OTP. Select this option to begin the setup process. The app may prompt you to confirm your decision. You may be presented with a QR code. If so, you will need to scan this with an authenticator app. If you don't have an authenticator app, you can skip that step. The Telnyx mobile app will now generate a unique, time-sensitive one-time password, or OTP. This code changes every 30 seconds or so, providing a secure, ever-changing key for your login. The next time you log into your Telnyx account, after entering your usual username and password, you'll be prompted to enter the current OTP displayed in the Telnyx mobile app. Type in the code and submit. And that's it. You've successfully enabled and used the Telnyx mobile app for OTP generation, adding an extra layer of security to your Telnyx account. Keep your communications safe and secure.